Hey there, and welcome back to the channel and to our new review series on unique dog-friendly properties. We're here in Napa Valley doing a little staycation at Carneros Resort and Spa, and I thought I'd bring you along for our stay. We are being hosted by the property, but that is not going to impact our review, and I will share a cost breakdown of everything that we do, so at the end, you can tell me if you would stay here and if you think it's worth it. So, to kick things off, let's go check out our cottage. We're staying in the Premium King Cottage in the Verbena neighborhood. All of the cottages have an open concept with a small seating area, the bed, storage, and a fireplace with a coffee bar and mini fridge. If you're visiting with a dog, their welcome amenities will be waiting for you in your cottage and include a bed or blanket, bowls, and a leash and bag holder. They also surprised us with a personalized bandana for Ruby. The bathroom is spacious with a tub and shower and double sinks with a heated floor, which is perfect for those chilly mornings. The bathroom also connects to an outdoor shower through the indoor shower and is also accessible from the patio and features an outdoor soaking tub. My absolute favorite feature of all the cottages are the huge folding doors that open your room up to your private fenced-in garden. The private garden has a sun deck with loungers, an area for dining, and a seating area with a fire pit. Now that we've toured our cottage, let's check out all the property amenities. Starting with one of the most unique amenities I've seen at a resort, we have Kelso's Dog Park. Named after the managing director's dog, the park is designed for dogs to run, play, and enjoy their stay. It includes amenities like water bowls, trash cans, agility equipment, and seating for dog parents. You might even spot a cow. Hilltop Dining Room is right next to the adults-only pool and where complimentary breakfast is offered in addition to lunch and bar service. There's a spacious patio off the dining room for dining with your dog with panoramic views of nearby vineyards. This is also where you can get their signature Boonfly donuts from their a la carte menu since Boonfly doesn't have a dog-friendly patio. There are two pool areas on property, the adults-only pool at Hilltop and then a family-friendly pool by the gym. Dogs are welcome in both pool areas from the second row of loungers back. The adult pool area has a really nice overlook of the vineyard hills and large loungers and cabanas for larger groups. The front area of the property that's accessible to the public in the courtyard of farm offers large-sized chess, bocce ball courts, and pickleball courts with a champagne bar during designated times. There's also a spa on site if you're interested in getting a treatment while your pup hangs out in your cottage with another human. Coop is their on-site store with an assortment of high-end brands, and Post is an on-site tasting room offering flights from the region and making it an easy way to explore different Napa wineries without having to move from property to property. The market is like an upscale general store where you can stock up on snacks for a picnic, grab souvenirs or coffee, or our favorite, their wood-fired pizza for lunch on the weekends. The Pavilion at Farm offers drinks and small bites in the evening and often has live music on the weekends. This is also just a great spot to hang out during the day with plenty of seating options and shade. Farm is the fine dining restaurant on property that is open to the public and serves dinner daily and brunch on the weekends. Dogs are welcome on their courtyard patio. The menu offers Italian-inspired farmhouse dishes, and everything we've eaten here has always been delicious.
Okay, cheers.
Happy birthday! Some personal favorites are the buffalo carrots. I always say I want to figure out how to make these at home. They're Brussels sprouts. Even though I'd prefer them to be a little crispier, the flavoring is a 10 out of 10.
That flavor is really good.
For our meat eaters, Doodle Dad loved the meatballs and the New York strip steak. And for our pescatarians, I loved the salmon and gnocchi.
Good.
It's good.
Oh, you can't see the stars.
All right, it is our last morning here at Carneros, so let's do a recap of our stay with a cost breakdown. So our private cottage for a 2-night stay averages $1,000 a night, so $2,000 for our full stay. A continental breakfast is included in the stay, but we ordered a la carte options that cost $160. When we arrived, we ordered an app and 2 cocktails at the pavilion that cost $73, and our dinner at Farm was $220. The Boomfly donuts were $12, and we did get a pizza from the market with 2 drinks for $40. We took full advantage of the dog park, laid by the pool, and did a lot of relaxing in our cottage. We also ventured off property our first night for dinner in downtown Napa that cost $130. So all in, we're looking at a total of $2,635 for a 2-night stay. So what do you think? Would you stay here? Honestly, I raved about our stay here last year, but I gotta say the service has gone down a bit and the property just didn't present as well this stay. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, and we'll see you in our next review. Say, we'll see you in the next review. Bye!